Awesome. All right. Again, in the comment sections here, let me know, do you feel like you have a clear sense of purpose for yourself and for your business? If you do have a so just go ahead and put that in the comments. So if you do have a run into any challenges when you're trying to operate our purpose-driven business, a business purpose should resonate deeply with your personal values. It's more about just profits. It's about fulfillment. For instance, if you have sustainability as your passion, integrate that into every aspect of your business. This alignment ensures that each day is rewarding for you and for your business. For me, it's just not about making money with microgreens. It's way more personal. Hey, so get into this. Our business was started out not only at a desire, but not only to feed my family, but healthy food that would come and grow home, but to share health foods with others. And shortly after starting our microgreen business, I got some really scary news that some of you know about. I had cancer. It was a very rare and aggressive one, but we were able to continue to grow our business. Luckily, we were in business and be able to do that through 2 surgeries, recovery, and I can say without a doubt, 100%, that I am cancer-free without radiation because of microgreens. I know that's a lot, and probably go through my full story at some point with you guys. But to stay on topic today, my business 100% aligns with my values of that. Healthy food, curing yourself, not taking pills, not taking radiation. I'm in the business of helping our community eat better and teaching others how to grow their own business with microgreens. That is my passion. And so it feels great knowing that I can do that. Might not make some of our lives a little bit better, but just make microgreens did for me. So that's my passion. That's why I do this. That's why I will always do this business, and why I will always try to get healthy food into people and teach people how to do the same all the time.